Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number. admin@creativehands4u.com is our email address. And www.creativehands4u.com is our web address. That's the number 4, letter U.com. And today we're back in Bowie, Maryland. And what you're seeing here is the new Silestone countertops. And you can see that we have a new double bowl sink, undermount sink with our gooseneck faucet. Stainless steel appliances, or should I say black and stainless steel appliances. The Silestone countertops are becoming more and more the norm these days. Well, a lot of customers are moving away from granite, which is, been a staple for years. But now Silestone is the new kid on the block. And not necessarily a new kid on the block. Silestone Quartz has been around for years, but a lot of times it's just gone unnoticed. So, again, Gary Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services, 301-736-0061. You give us a call for all your kitchen and bathroom needs, or if you have repairs you need to have done, call our Super Handyman division. Same number, 301-736-0061. And I look to make you a new customer in the near future. Thank you.